Experiencing playback paused or unable to load errors with Apple Music in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. This video provides a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot login failures, region-related issues, and streaming cache problems. These are the main causes of Apple Music playback errors in your Tesla Model 3 as of January 5, 2026. Let's start by understanding what these errors look like on your Tesla's touchscreen. The first common issue is login failures. This happens when your Apple ID isn't properly authenticated. Make sure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi or has a strong cellular connection. Double-check your Apple ID and password within the Tesla's settings. For families sharing accounts, individual Apple IDs are recommended to avoid authentication blocks. Apple Music's content availability varies by region due to licensing agreements. When traveling, especially across borders, this can trigger errors. To fix this, first log into your Apple account via web browser or phone at appleid.apple.com. Next, verify that your region settings in the Apple account match your current location. Update the region if it doesn't match. Finally, in your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Media Settings, select Apple Music, and refresh the connection. This process should resolve the region-related playback problems. Try playing your music again after completing these steps. Corrupted cached data often causes playback skips or buffering issues in Apple Music on your Tesla Model 3. This temporary data can become corrupted over time, leading to interruptions in your music streaming. To fix this, navigate to the Media Settings on your Tesla touchscreen. Look for the Apple Music options in the Media Settings. Select Clear Cache. This removes temporary data and forces the system to reload fresh content, resolving the playback issues. Tesla's V12.5.1 update from late 2025 brings enhanced diagnostics for streaming services, including Apple Music. Access the software update directly from the touchscreen to check for this version. The update includes a direct reset option for Apple Music connections, accessible from the touchscreen settings. If the standard cache clear doesn't resolve the issue, try this reset feature. It reduces the need for a full system reboot in most cases. Start by verifying your Apple ID login details within the Tesla vehicle interface. Next, confirm that your region settings in your Apple account are compatible with your current location. Then, clear the Apple Music streaming cache through the Tesla's Media Settings menu. Finally, if your Tesla is running software V12.5.1 or later, use the Direct Reset feature for Apple Music connections. Looking ahead, Tesla and Apple are working on closer integration, which may reduce these errors significantly. Tesla's upcoming V13.0 update is expected to include predictive diagnostics that proactively reset caches based on usage patterns, promising a more seamless experience. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can resolve most Apple Music playback errors in your Tesla Model 3. Remember to keep your Tesla software updated for the latest fixes and improvements. Enjoy your music on the road.